Good morning, dear students. In previous class, we have studied our second chapter, first topics. The chapter name was The Earliest Societies. In that chapter, we have studied about the life of early humans, and second point was the Stone Age. Now let's know in second point only the next topic about we have seen the life of early humans, how they were, how they came, from where they came, how they were living, how they were getting their food and all that, and how the stone age is described. And we have seen it is described according to their tools what we are getting, we know about them in today's present about, from there only we come to know about the stone age. And today's we will study about the paleolithic age. So let's start. The first phase of the Stone Age is known as the Paleolithic period or the Old Stone Age. So the Paleolithic age is known as the Old Stone Age. The Paleolithic period developed during the Ice Age and was spread throughout India except the alluvial plains of the Ganga and Indus. So the Paleolithic age period was developed during the Ice Age and it was all across the spread throughout India except the plains of the Ganga and Indus. The Paleolithic period began around 5 lakh BCE and came to an end around 10,000 BCE. During this period, early humans sustained themselves through hunting gathering. They wandered from place to place in search of food and lived in temporary settlements such as caves and times at times under tree. So that time, the old Stone Age people, they were not staying in one place. Wherever they are going in search of food or search of food and shelter. For the food they have hunting and gathering. Even they were wandered from one place to another place in search of food, because we know the sources, every has limitations. When it gets over, we have to move from one place to another place. And for their temporary settlements, they used to stay in caves or at the time under trees. The tools in this period were not refined and were basically stone that were not polished or curved. Tools in Paleolithic period were mainly flags that had been broken of bigger stones to serve their purpose. These tools were mainly used as weapons to hunt. Some stone tools were used to cut meat and scrap animal skin. So mainly these tools, whatever they had the tools, it was made by the stone, and it was not perfectly uh, made as a tools. They just broke of the bigger stone, and they were using that stone as a weapon to hunt the animals, or some sharpen to stones for the this one scrap animal skins. So when we see these weapons now in the present times, we see the stone weapons, we can understand how they were using this stone for their weapons, for their any kind of purpose. Now let's know the division of the Paleolithic age. The Paleolithic period was the longest period of the Stone Age and has been further divided into three periods: lower or early Paleolithic period, middle Paleolithic period, and upper or late Paleolithic period. Each of the Paleolithic age is differentiated on the basis of the tools that developed during each phases. So this Paleolithic age is divided into three time periods because it was longest period of the Stone Age, Old Age, and it is divided into three. First was the lower or early, second was the middle, and third was the upper or late. And each time periods is the can be clarified, can be understand by their tools in the time of lower or early Paleolithic tools shows the how it was developed that time, and middle shows another kind of tools. In the last upper or late shows the upper, this tools shows the upper or late Paleolithic period. So how it was the life of the time of Paleolithic age, how it was, it can be understood by their tools. In tomorrow's class, I will show you how the tools were looks like by stone tools, how it was looks like, and I will make you more understand in next class. The first Paleolithic period was how it was divided according to this period, which are the tools, how the tools were made. I will explain you in next class. So for the time being, you just go through this video and learn these topics. I hope you will understand, and next session we will meet for the divisions of Paleolithic age according to the time periods. So have a good day. Thank you.